As I embarked on my recent 18-day journey through Japan, I discovered a collection of incredibly handy apps that enhanced my travel experience. These apps became my trusted companions, simplifying various aspects of my trip. Keep in mind that your choice of apps might differ, depending on your travel companions and preferences. Visit Japan Web. My journey commenced with the Visit Japan web app, which turned out to be a must-have for a smoother airport experience. Instead of fumbling with physical documents, I used this app for more efficient navigation through the airport immigration checkpoint. With the removal of the quarantine checkpoint, I only had to pass through immigration and customs, making the process remarkably smoother. The added tax-free feature enabled me to make tax-free purchases simply by presenting the app, eliminating the need to display my physical passport. Google Maps and JapanTravel by Navitime. When it came to navigation, my go-to apps were Google Maps and JapanTravel by Navitime, both of which I relied on extensively, using them almost daily. Google Maps is an essential tool for any traveler in Japan. It excels in helping you navigate the intricate public transportation networks found in cities like Tokyo and other urban areas. Just input your destination, and Google Maps will propose the fastest and most convenient routes, whether it's by train, bus, subway, or on foot. It provides real-time schedules, estimated arrival times, and platform details, ensuring you catch your transportation on time. Additionally, Google Maps highlights noteworthy attractions and dining spots, making it an excellent companion for local exploration. One outstanding feature is the ability to download maps for offline use, allowing you to navigate even without an internet connection. This is particularly useful in remote regions or when trying to avoid international roaming charges. To streamline my trip, I crafted saved lists for each region on my itinerary before departure. Inside each of these dedicated regional lists, I meticulously stored all the attractions I intended to visit. Upon arrival at a particular destination, I smoothly launched the app, navigated to the corresponding saved list, and presto, all my desired attractions were right there at my fingertips. This approach saved me considerable time, sparing me the effort of manually inputting each attraction individually. JapanTravel by Navitime. While Google Maps is a versatile and indispensable navigation tool for Japan, JapanTravel by Navitime excels in specific regions and offers extra features. It provides comprehensive transit information, including local buses and trams, often not covered by other apps. The app also offers station maps, platform details, fare estimates, and offline access for favorite routes. For travelers exploring cities like Kyoto, Hiroshima, or Fukuoka, JapanTravel by Navitime can be a valuable asset, ensuring smooth navigation in intricate urban landscapes. While the app does incorporate mapping capabilities, my primary utilization centered around route confirmation, particularly when I found Google Maps directions somewhat ambiguous. It acted as my alternative to Google Maps within Japan, offering an extra layer of assurance during my travels. Google Translate. Despite English signage being common in tourist areas, Google Translate is a trusty companion for bridging language barriers. It translates signs, menus, and conversations in real time. The app's camera feature can even translate text you point your phone at, making it a handy tool for deciphering Japanese characters. Despite the many functions, menus and signs translation are the main function that was often used throughout my trip. Apple Notes. Using Apple Notes when traveling can greatly enhance your trip planning and organization. This versatile note-taking app allows you to create and store important travel information, from itineraries and reservations to packing lists and travel tips. With its easy-to-use interface, you can quickly jot down ideas, capture important details, and even create checklists to ensure you don't forget essential items. The app's synchronization with iCloud ensures that your notes are accessible on all your Apple devices, making it convenient for on-the-go travel planning and reference. Whether you're noting down recommendations from locals, storing travel documents, or keeping a diary of your adventures, Apple Notes simplifies the process, helping you make the most of your journey. Alternatively, you can opt for a dedicated travel packing PDF form, providing you with a structured template to systematically organize your essentials. Acrobat PDF. The Acrobat PDF application served as a virtual repository in which I meticulously arranged all my travel-related documents. This encompassed a wide spectrum of materials, ranging from flight and accommodation information or booking confirmations in either PDF or email format, to essential travel insurance documents, vaccination records, and purchasing order of my router and SIM card. Yurekuru. Given Japan's susceptibility to earthquakes, I sporadically turn to the Yurekuru app, which functions as an earthquake monitoring tool, to stay informed about seismic occurrences across various regions. Fortunately, my stay in Tokyo was marked by just a solitary minor tremor. Surprisingly, all these are the only apps that I often use during my trip. As for the remaining apps, I rarely found the need to utilize them extensively, primarily because, once you have a well-defined itinerary in mind, you will rarely use them. Nevertheless, let's briefly explore these apps, as some of them might align with your specific requirements. Japan Official Travel App. This comprehensive mobile tool is designed to enhance the travel experience in Japan. It offers valuable information and features to assist travelers in efficiently navigating the country. The app encompasses essential travel aspects such as transportation, accommodations, dining, sightseeing, and many more. Users can access maps, directions, and transportation schedules, simplifying travel planning. Additionally, it provides information about local attractions, restaurants, and events, enabling tourists to explore Japan's rich culture and cuisine. While the Japan Official Travel app can be a valuable companion during the trip, I primarily used it for pre-trip planning and last-minute attraction searches when I have some free time for that particular day. Airbnb. In a country where unique accommodations abound, Airbnb offers a diverse range of lodging options. Whether you're staying in a traditional ryokan, a modern apartment, or a countryside cottage, Airbnb connects you with a wide array of places to call home during your stay. After booking my stay, I use this app mainly as a means to verify our stay and access contact information if situation arise for our stay in Japan. Booking.com. The app is a popular and versatile platform for travelers to book accommodations during their journeys. With a vast array of lodging options, user reviews, flexible booking choices, and helpful search filters, Booking.com simplifies the process of finding the perfect place to stay. It offers convenience, confidence, and a wide range of choices to enhance your travel experience. Since I had reservations for several lodgings in Tokyo and Sapporo, this app serves as a safeguard, allowing me to access my booking details in the event of any complications when confirming my stay. XE Currency Converter. Japan is a haven for travelers, but it can also be a budget buster if you're not mindful of expenses. To keep track of your spending and ensure you're getting fair exchange rates, the XE Currency Converter app is invaluable. It provides up-to-date exchange rate information, enabling you to convert your home currency into Japanese yen accurately. This app is straightforward to use, making it easy to assess whether that street food snack or traditional souvenir is a budget-friendly buy. XE Currency Converter also allows you to track multiple currencies simultaneously, which is handy if you're hopping between Japan and neighboring countries. Ramen Beast. The Ramen Beast app is a specialized mobile application dedicated to Japan's beloved noodle dish, ramen. It serves as a curated guide to the finest ramen restaurants across Japan, making it an indispensable tool for ramen lovers and travelers. Users can delve into comprehensive profiles of ramen shops, including details about their menus, specialties, and locations. The app also incorporates reviews and ratings from fellow ramen enthusiasts, facilitating the discovery of both hidden gems and popular ramen spots. Japan Uber. The Japan Uber app is a convenient and efficient ride application designed to connect users with transportation services across Japan. While Uber operates in several countries worldwide, its presence in Japan is relatively new and limited compared to local taxi services and public transportation options. It's important to note that the availability of Uber services may vary by city and region in Japan due to regulatory restrictions and competition with traditional taxi services. Taxis or rides in Japan can be quite costly, so to me this app is best reserved for emergencies or situations when you're pressed for time. WeatherJapan. Stay ahead of Japan's ever-changing weather with the WeatherJapan app. Offering accurate forecasts, typhoon alerts, and real-time weather updates, it ensures you're prepared for any climate surprises during your travels. I wish I had this app during my last trip in Sapporo, as we almost couldn't board the Shinkansen due to a snowstorm that caused several train and flight cancellations. Mobile Suica and Pasmo. Mobile Suica and Pasmo have gained significant popularity in Japan as digital smart card systems, effectively replacing the need for physical cards when it comes to travel and payments. This shift has become even more critical for tourists, especially those arriving at Tokyo Narita International Airport, due to the recent suspension of physical card sales for JR East Suica and Pasmo. A noteworthy advantage of these apps is their compatibility with mobile wallets, like Apple Pay and Google Pay, elevating convenience levels. However, it's important to mention that this particular benefit might not be accessible to Android users, as it's limited to mobile purchases made within Japan. Mobile Suica and Pasmo have evolved into indispensable tools, facilitating efficient and cashless travel and payments in Japan. This convenience extends to both residents and tourists, streamlining transactions and commuting experiences. This could become a necessity for me if by any chance I misplace my IC card before my upcoming trip to Tokyo. Before you embark on your Japan adventure, be sure to download these essential travel apps. Japan is waiting to enchant you with its rich culture, natural beauty, and vibrant cities, and with these apps in your pocket, you'll be well prepared to explore it all. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Japan. Thank you for staying to the end.